Here we'll look at the lamprey. Our specimen of choice is Petromyzon marinus, a parasite of fish. We'll start at the anterior of the animal and work our way back. Here we have the buccal funnel or oral region with that supraoral tooth surrounded by keratinized teeth and the buccal papillae of the funnel. Again, those teeth and buccal papillae, working our way up the side, you can see the eye, and behind that eye, the 7 openings of the gill slits. Again, using those papillae to orient ourselves, we can go to the top of the animal and see the single nares and the pineal organ. There again is the eye. Again, using those papillae to orient ourselves and looking at the dorsal part of the animal, we can see part of the lateral line, that pineal organ again, and that single nares. Working our way down the length of the animal, we can see that cord that indicates this is a male. We can see the anterior dorsal fin, the posterior dorsal fin, and the caudal fin, which is diphycircle in shape. We end with the urogenital papilla. Next, make a longitudinal section down the length of the animal so it can be divided into its left and right sides. Opening the animal will allow us to see the internal features of the lamprey. Again, we'll start at the anterior portion of the animal. So we have those keratinized teeth, the annular muscle, annular cartilage, more annular cartilage below, the annular muscle again. Here's the lingual cartilage, and then those keratinized tooth on the tongue. We have the anterior dorsal cartilage and the posterior dorsal cartilage. There's the olfactory sac, which connects to the nares, and the pineal organ on the surface and below. Here we have the brain, and then running down the length of the animal, we have the notochord and the spinal cord above that. The myomeres, or blocks of muscles, sit above that area. We have the openings of those gills, so you can see them on the internal surface as well. Going down, we have the heart, surrounded by the pericardium. Then we have the liver. If you move the liver, underneath the liver, you'll be able to see the gut. Moving back, we have the testes, although in this specimen, they're not very well developed. Continuing down, we then exit the body through that cloacal aperture.